My name is Linda Phillips, and I'm a patient of Dr. Victor's. Originally, I had work done in Venezuela. Unfortunately, it was just more of a skin lift, if you will. But then after a few years, it just second, and I was not happy. So I visited here with Dr. Victor to see perhaps what he could do to help me. And I have to say, I'm so very pleased with the results because after 5 years, I'm still, I think I'm really happy with what he did. Originally, when I scheduled the appointment, I was a little nervous, but Dr. Victor answered all of my questions, plus questions I didn't even know that I had. And then after the procedure, he was so very kind, phoned every evening to make certain that I was good, that I didn't have any questions, that I didn't have any discomfort. And because of all those things, plus getting to know Dr. Victor on a personal level, I recommended him to my friends and acquaintances. Some people, when they have work done, they have a tendency not to want to share the information, but I think it's a good idea to share with others because maybe it will make them have a better feeling for themselves also. After the procedure, during the procedure, Dr. Victor was there for me every moment, as I said, and then I felt so very comfortable with him and with everything that had happened. I think that many people, after they have work done, maybe just stand a little taller, maybe just have a little bit more confidence, which for me improved my lifestyle. I'm very fortunate to have had many, how shall I say, acquaintances that have asked, and I think that I would highly recommend Dr. Victor to anyone and everyone. It's the best thing that I ever did for me, and I think it's the best thing that you could ever do for yourself too. The room that I stayed in after my procedure was like a hotel. And it's more like a one-bedroom suite, if you will. All the nurses were so kind. They were there for me every second and checked every little thing. When Dr. Victor would come in twice a day to check on me, it was like I was always happy when he smiled. And they were so kind. Everyone in the hospital was very kind, but they did this funny little thing. They braided, my hair's kind of longish, and they braided my hair, which was really kind of cool. And I think that everyone here in the hospital, all the doctors and nurses were exceptional. One of the reasons I'm so very pleased is because I look, in my opinion, more natural. I don't have that wind tunnel look like some people have after a procedure. And I think that if you did not know me, you would never know that I had a procedure done. My recovery time was about 2 weeks, give or take, and before all the swelling went down and I started to look more natural again, and I continued to come in for my consultations with Dr. Victor so that he could confirm that everything was perfect.